Hola amigos, hope you all are fit and fine. We will continue our day 2 journey from Rajpipla to Modhera. This is Vivek and together we are flirting with Indian roads. Let's have some sugarcane juice. This is the art and here is the artist. Heartiest thanks to these guys who are refreshing travelers in such a heat with juice. Distance between Rajpipla and Modhera is about 280 kilometers. For this, we first need to connect Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway somewhere near Vadodara. Then we will enter Ahmedabad, cross the city via Vishala. Then we will connect Ahmedabad-Palanpur road and ride till Mehsana. And from there, we will take left towards Modhera. In long distance journeys, crossing metro cities can sometimes be irritating as it reduces your average driving speed due to traffic. Dimag ka dahi, as we say it in Mumbaiya language. By the way, how does curdling of brain sounds? No offense to anyone, but this has been my experience most of the times when I have to cross a metro during my trips. Streets are full of idiots and you will get to see them every now and then. I always say this guys, drive carefully, drive responsibly. See this guy, he seems to be the nephew of Vin Diesel. Anyways, this happens all the times on the roads. Feels very pleasant to get back on desi roads after going through metro traffic. Finally, we are here. We need to purchase a ticket to enter the campus. I have kept my baggage at ticket counter itself. This is a glimpse of campus lawns. And here we go. Main building of this temple mainly has three parts. This is Kund, the reservoir of the temple. You can see many small big shrines on the steps of the Kund. This is Sabha Mandap, Assembly Hall of the temple. This is Gud Mandap, Shrine Hall of the temple. The sun is considered as God in many civilizations globally. So, there are many sun temples in the world. This Sun Temple of Modhera is said to be built in early 11th century by Chalukya dynasty. Today, the temple is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India or ASI as we call it. You can Google the history of this temple for more information. 3 hours should be enough for you to check out this masterpiece. This temple is closed for visitors after sunset. Modhera is a small village, so please do not plan night stay over here. So friends, that's it from Modhera. Please let us know if you have any suggestion for the improvisation of the video. As we do not have accommodation facility here, we will continue our ride till Patan. So today we travelled a total of 326 kilometers. We started from Rajpipla at 12:35 hours and reached Patan by 20:15 hours. Out of these 7 hours 40 minutes, we spent almost 2 hours in breaks and sightseeing, while remaining time was riding time. We will take you to Patan in our next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Hasta la vista. Gracias. Thank you and Jai Hind.